Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Atif Ahmed. Welcome to APSAC's online support program. Week number 1, 8th class physics, and this is lecture number 1. Today we are going to discuss introduction of physics. In this video lecture, you will be able to understand what is science, what is natural philosophy, what is physical science, what is biological science, what are divisions of physical science, what is physics, and uses of physics in the daily life.
The man is very curious to know the reason of different phenomena happening in our surrounding. He always try to know the reasons and facts how the things are happening. He observes the things and objects carefully, logically, and gets some knowledge through them. This type of knowledge that the man gets from its observation and experimentation, this knowledge is called science. The knowledge that the man gets from its observation and its experimentation, that knowledge is called science. Various aspects of materials were discussed under a single subject called natural philosophy. After some time, they were divided into the two parts, and these were physical science and biological science. All the objects that are alive, they were under study in this subject, and all the non-living things were under study in the physical science. That was in early 18th. 19th, when the knowledge was increased, then these two subjects, these two divisions were further divided into different parts. Like physical science was further divided into the chemistry, physics, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. We will only discuss physics. Let's define physics. Physics is basically the study of matter, energy, and their relations and their interactions. That is very important subject because it is the cause of rapid progress in the world. If we talk about the use of physics in the daily life, it will be very difficult to find a single phenomena in which the physics is not involved in. Let's talk some examples in the real life that in which the physics is involving. First of all, we will discuss the pulley. We use pulley in the daily life to pull or push the heavy object like this one. We are pulling or pushing, we are moving is heavy object in upward direction with the help of this pulley easily. Similarly, electricity is very common example. That is basically the advantage of physics. We are using physics to get electricity. And aeroplane is moving in the air, flying in the air. How? This is possible because of physics. It is working on the principles of physics. Similarly, we have a lot of objects or things in our house that for example, we can say that AC, and we have washing machine and different objects. All these objects, all these equipments, we use this mobile phone, and all these objects are basically works on the principles of physics. If you talk about the car is also using the principle of the physics, the principles of the mechanics. We can contact anybody at any place. We can send the pictures, we can send the message, we can talk. So all these just because of physics. Physics has too much advantages, but there are some disadvantages also. For example, if you talk about the vehicles, if you talk about the car, buses, a truck. They are regularly polluting our environment, which is very dangerous for the human life. And one more aspect, we have prepared dangerous weapon like atom bomb, different missile technologies, hydrogen bomb. All these technologies are just because of physics. So physics has also some drawbacks in this case, because these dangerous weapons are harmful for the human.